Hello everybody, welcome to LMT Machinery. If you have any questions on any of the machines we have on our website, give us a call at 319-239-7702. Or you can contact us by email at info@lmtmachinery.com. Our website address is lmtmachinery.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Quincy dual pump air compressor. Pretty good shape machine. It is 440 volt. There are two 3 horsepower pumps on it. You can switch which compressor is the lead compressor, so we're not overtaxing one. Take a quick walk around here. Little ball door, 3 horsepower, 4 amps at 440 volts. Model QCO3012D00179, serial number 200305220-0200. The pumps look like QTS5 QCB. They are both the same. Consecutive serial numbers. We'll turn her on here and you can let's do it run. One real quick second here. It's 200, it's a 2003 machine. 120 gallon tank. So we'll turn it on. Obviously, I don't have her. She is nice and quiet. They are pretty small pumps, so it ought to be. If you have any questions on any of the machines we have available on our website, please give us a call, 319-239-7702. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you'd like to be notified of other videos I have coming up or other machinery that's coming available. Thanks for visiting us here at LMT Machinery. Have a wonderful day.